At least it was nice to feel like we were doing what we were meant to be doing for a while. And some spectacular shots up in the snow. That was good fun. I think a few snowballs flying around, so I think some pilots had a bit of fun at least. Today there is live television coverage. The film crews will be here through the day. So if we don't end up going up to launch, we'd ask that the pilots sort of hang around this area today, around the tent, in the tent, so that they're ready for some pilot interviews. It's very important for the sponsorship, for the television coverage.
We have the same situation like yesterday, almost with the rain in the morning. And you see the cloud collection at the Alps. And also the wind situation is like yesterday a little bit more, because we have more lability in the atmosphere. With luck, eventually we can fly a little bit thermals in the pre-Alps on the airfield.
Afternoon will end up being snow.
Yes.
Okay. And it's predicted to be windier today. Windier, more wind.
A little bit more windy. The wind situation is the same like yesterday in the afternoon. One no difference.
I understand it's more unstable, so there is more chance of some storms. And similar to yesterday, with more or less chance of sun.
Yes.
Which one? More or less?
More or less.
Less chance of sun.
I can show you the
Wasn't today supposed to be the day?
So we will try and make a decision at 11:30 today. And once again,
down here.
down here.
No, I think really it's a bit out of angle, and at the same time, I didn't fix it properly. The camera had a little bit of a shake.
Also jetzt genau
über die Leitung geflogen und dann musst du Strom und da über eine Leitung machen. USB funktioniert schon mal gleich.
No, I get the background.
so
Guess from this line to the I thought it's now it's pleasant, right?
yes, it's a forecast in the computer for 12 hours.
Where should we have a task?
In Japan.
Japan? Last year? Wow.
Perfect. With a little alto cumulus and cirrus here at this level, but not the problem.
Okay, folks, let's pack up and go to Japan.
Yes.
Is to discuss the possibility of flying on Saturday. Now, John Aldridge had a look at the local regulations, and he said that it would be possible to fly on Saturday, given the wording of the local regulations. The jury members have also discussed this, and they also agree that it would be possible to fly on Saturday. Wouldn't be a problem. What we need now is a majority team leader decision that you are also okay with that. What that means is that maybe if we get a task on Friday, it's still not enough for class 1 and 5 for a valid competition. So flying on Saturday would hopefully make it a valid competition, because the weather does look like it's improving for the weekend. For one thing, all the times are subject to alteration. So what we're actually saying is that Saturday is part of the competition. It's a competition date, and we're making the awards ceremony later on the Saturday and trying to use the possibility of better weather on Saturday to have a valid championship. And we need a majority team leader decision. So then it's up to that pilot. If he wishes to complain, make a complaint to me, I would hand that on as a protest. I would reject the complaint if we have a majority team leader decision saying that we want to fly. If he then wants to make it a protest, it would go to the jury. You don't agree to fly Saturday?
The Germans are keen on flying on Saturday together.
Alright, so we also need to figure out which classes don't agree. Because if class 2 and class 1 agree, then maybe we have a championship for those two classes and not for class 5.
I can consider only class 5.
Well, the whole of the Netherlands agrees, so.
Raymond.
France, we agree in class 5 and not in class 2.
The jury has decided that the organizer can add this day. And we have not especially said that it can be a reserve day or a competition day. They can add this as a flying day.
Okay.
And the organizer will have to agree with that.
So with the protest, nothing happened. Right?
You know how the jury thinks about this. So,
Yeah, okay.
simple conclusion.
It would then be a case of an appeal from your NAC.
Sorry?
The possibility, if the meet director refuses your complaint, the jury refuses your protest, the remaining step is for your NAC to appeal to the FAI.
So from a safety point of view, we're not going up today. It's meant to be even less chance of flying than yesterday, the amount of sunny window.